Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn standard 3 EVS subject. Okay, so today we are going to continue our revision of lesson number 11, 12 and 13 according to your paper style. Okay, your question number 3 is match the following, column A and column B. It's a lesson number 11, match the following. So we have to match column A with column B. For disabled people, which vehicle we use? Train, no. Horse, no. Tricycle. For disabled people, tricycle is a answer. You can see. Then traveling on a road of iron. So, which vehicle travel on road of iron? It's a train. For traveling in a desert, we use camel. For traveling on mountainous road, we use horse. For fetching and carrying letters, we use postal van. Now lesson number 12, work we do, match the following, column A and column B. Hospital, so serve food, no. Distribute letters, no. Deposit and withdraw money, no. Treatment of patients, okay. Hospital related with treatment of patient. School, children study. Post office, distribute letters. Hotel, serve food. Bank, deposit and withdraw money. Now lesson number 13, sharing our feelings, match the following, A and B. Nani, so which one is suitable for this? Sorry, which one is correct? Nani cannot hear and see properly. Ravi Bhaiya. Ravi Bhaiya, enjoy listening to Seema's news. Papa reads the newspaper aloud to Nani. Seema, play football. Now a question for write true or false. Lesson number 11. The numbers 100 is dialed if we want to call the police for any help. So it is a true statement or wrong, students? Yes, it's a true. If we need any help, we can call on 100 number. Second one. The metro train runs by electricity. It's a true or false? Yes, it's a correct sentence. Third one. Truck have only 4 wheels. It's a true or false? It's a false statement because truck have more than 4 wheels. 4. To travel over the sea, we use steamers. Yes, it's a correct statement. True. T-R-U-E. Fifth one. People will use animals to travel from one place to another in ancient time. It's a correct or wrong? Yes, it is also correct. So we have to write here true. 6. Trains are used to travel through the air. It's a right or wrong, students? It's a wrong statement. So we have to write here false. Okay, airplanes and helicopters are used to travel through the air. Now lesson number 12, true or false sentence. Sick people need to go to a hospital for treatment. It's a right or wrong? Yes, it's a right statement. Rashmin Bai's farmhouse is public property. No, it's a wrong statement. It's not public property. It's a Rashmin Bai's property. Police protect people and their property. It's a correct or wrong? It's a correct statement. Fourth one. You want to make wooden furniture, you will have to go to a machine. It's a right or wrong? It's a wrong statement. If you want to make wooden furniture, you will have to go to a carpenter. Fifth one. It is everyone's duty to take care of public property. Yes, it's a correct statement. Okay. Now lesson number 13 is true or false. First one. In Braille script, a row of raised dots are made on a thick paper. It's a right or wrong? It's a right statement. Louis Braille belonged to France. Yes, it is also right statement. Braille script is used by deaf people. It's a right or wrong, students? It's a wrong statement because Braille script is used by blind people. Fourth one, we have 4 sense organs. It's a right or wrong? It's a wrong statement because we have 5 sense organs. Fifth one, fingers are used to read the Braille script. It's a right or wrong? It's a right statement. Blind people have strong sense of hearing and smelling. It's a right or wrong? Yes, it is also a right statement. We should not make fun of physically challenged people. It's a right or wrong? Yes, it is also right statements. It is a good manner. Now question 5. Answer the following. Okay. So chapter number 11's question and answer. First one. How many wheels does a bullock cart have? So the answer is 2 big wooden wheels. Bullock cart have. Okay. Second one. Do all trucks have the same numbers of wheels? No. Some big and heavy trucks have more than 10 wheels and some small trucks have 6 and 8 wheels. Name 2 vehicles used for air travel. So which is that? Airplane and helicopter. Fourth one. If you want to go from city in India to New York in USA, by which vehicle will you travel? So we will go in an aeroplane. Question 5. Name 5 vehicles of transport which are used to transport goods. So answer is truck, postal delivery van, handcart, tempo and goods train. Sixth one. How many types of transport are there in Gujarat? Which? There are 4 types of transport in Gujarat. First, roadways, airways, railways and waterways. Lesson number 12's question and answer. Does Dipali go to school? Answer is no, she does not go to school. Second, up to what class has Dipali studied? Dipali has studied up to class 3rd. Third one, why does Sarla not have to do the same task that her grandmother did as a child? Because Sarla has gas stove now and has cement walls and floor in her house. Fourth one, what activities helps Dipali to know the things? Reading books helps Dipali to know the things. How did Jaggu make some money early in the morning? Jaggu is a cobbler. He made money early in the morning by fixing teachers' slippers. Now lesson number 13's question and answer. First one. When we are blindfolded, how can we recognize others? Answer is we can recognize others by touching and feeling. Second one. Who first thought of Braille books? Answer is Louis Braille. Third one. What problems of old age does Nani have? The answer is Nani have back pain and also not able to see and hear properly. Fourth one. What do blind people use to read and write? Blind people use Braille script to read and write. Fifth one. Why do blind people carry a white stick when moving out of their homes? So answer is blind people carry a white stick so that they can touch and feel any objects that comes in their way with the stick while walking. Okay students? So memorize this. Okay, so lesson number 11, 12 and 13, all the questions you have to memorize for your exam. Okay, thank you.